Capture cards enable high-quality recording and streaming, reduce system load, ensure smooth gameplay capture, and support professional YouTube gaming content creation. My today's video is about top 5 best capture cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ryzen Capture Card. This capture card delivers a well-balanced mix of performance and practicality, making it a solid choice for content creators and gamers. With crisp 1080p capture and support for high refresh rate inputs like 1080p 120/144 Hz and 4K 3060 at Henry Z pass-through, it ensures smooth and detailed recordings without over-promising unsupported formats like 4K 120 Hz. The plug-and-play functionality is a major advantage. Instantly recognized as a webcam without drivers or external power, reducing setup complexity while maintaining low CPU usage and minimal latency. Its USB 3.0 interface ensures stable, high-speed data transfer, ideal for streaming on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and OBS Studio. The HDMI loop-out provides zero-delay gameplay monitoring, while the 3.5mm mic input adds convenient live commentary support. Overall, it's a reliable, budget-friendly solution for seamless streaming and recording. Now our second product is Ugreen Capture Card. This HDMI capture card stands out for its thoughtful balance of resolution, speed, and versatility, making it ideal for both casual streamers and serious creators. With support for 4K 30 input and 2K 30 output alongside smooth 1080p 60 performance, it preserves source quality while delivering flexible streaming options that work across various setups. The USB 3.0 interface ensures fast 5 gigabits per second data transfer with impressively low latency, which is crucial for real-time broadcasting on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and tools such as OBS Studio. Its dual USB-A and USB-C connectivity broadens compatibility across laptops, tablets, and even modern devices like the Meta Quest 3. The durable aluminum build enhances heat dissipation and signal stability, while wide OS support, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and iPad OS, adds convenience. Overall, it's a reliable, future-ready capture solution with strong performance and excellent cross-device usability. Our third product is Baez Capture Card. This capture card offers a practical and user-friendly solution for streamers who prioritize reliability over cutting-edge specs. While it accepts up to 4K 60 input and output signals, its true strength lies in stable 1080p 60 capture, delivering smooth and clear recordings ideal for gaming, live streaming, and video conferencing. The plug-and-play design eliminates the need for drivers or external power, instantly functioning as a webcam, which simplifies setup for beginners. Its USB 3.0 connectivity ensures low-latency performance, making it suitable for platforms like YouTube and Twitch, as well as software such as OBS Studio. The inclusion of a 3.5mm mic input-output is a valuable addition for real-time commentary, enhancing content quality. With broad device compatibility and consistent performance, it's a dependable, budget-friendly option for everyday streaming and recording needs. Now number 4, Razer Capture Card. This HDMI capture card excels in delivering seamless, high-quality streaming and recording for gamers and content creators alike. With 4K 60 FPS pass-through, it ensures uninterrupted, ultra-smooth gameplay on your main display while simultaneously capturing full HD 1080p 60 for crisp, high-performance streams. Its dual connectivity via HDMI 2.0 and USB 3.0 guarantees zero-latency output and maximum detail retention, essential for competitive gaming and professional streaming. The built-in 3.5mm audio input simplifies setup without requiring extra software, while full audio mixing capabilities allow effortless management of game sound, microphone commentary, and system audio in real time. This combination of high-resolution video, low latency, and flexible audio control makes it perfect for streaming on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and OBS Studio, offering a polished, professional-grade streaming experience with minimal hassle. And our last choice is McBasil Capture Card. This capture card delivers an impressive balance of portability, performance, and visual fidelity, making it ideal for content creators and gamers seeking high-quality video capture on the go. Supporting up to 4K 30 input and 1080p 60 output, it ensures smooth recordings while preserving fine detail, and its 8/10/12 bit color depth enhances vibrancy and clarity, producing lifelike visuals. The ability to transmit signals up to 15 meters over standard AWG26 cabling adds exceptional flexibility for varied setups, whether streaming, recording, or monitoring. Broad software compatibility with VLC, OBS, AMCAP, and more, along with support for Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android, ensures seamless integration across multiple devices. Its compact, lightweight 26.5G aluminum alloy build makes it durable yet highly portable, and plug-and-play operation without an external power supply allows effortless use anywhere. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.